Hello my all friends, welcome back to another video. Friends, Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G and Realme 10 Pro 5G are all set to launch in India on December 8. The brand confirmed that arrival of the new 5G smartphones in the country via Twitter on Thursday. The company's latest smartphone made their debut in China this month and will go on sale in India via Flipkart. Friends, so let's begin the video. Now we tell the all detailed specifications of Realme 10 Pro Plus and Realme 10 Pro, both 5G. Specifications of Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G and Realme 10 Pro 5G in India are expected to be similar that of the Chinese variants. Both smartphone runs on Android 13 with Realme UI 4 and pack a 120Hz refresh rate display. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC. The Realme 10 Pro 5G in India contrast has a Snapdragon 695 5G SoC under the hood. For optics, the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G features a triple rear camera setup comprising 108 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixels ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixels monochrome sensor. The Realme 10 Pro 5G on the other hand features a dual rear camera setup including a 108 megapixel primary camera sensor and a 2 megapixel second snap. Both phones are equipped with a 16 megapixel front shooter. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G and Realme 10 Pro 5G are backed by a 5000 mAh battery and comes with a 67 watt fast charging support. And now we discuss about the both smartphone price. The Realme 10 Pro 5G series will unveiled in the company's home market last week in China. Realme 10 Pro Plus is priced at roughly 19,500 rupees for the base variant 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage model, while the Realme 10 Pro costs in China roughly 18,500 rupees for the base variant 8GB plus 256GB storage model. Meanwhile, Flipkart has created a dedicated microsite to tease some of the key features of the upcoming Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G and the Realme 10 Pro 5G ahead of its debut. The online marketplace claims that the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G will be the first handset in India to come equipped with MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC. It is due to carry a curved display as well. Friends, the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G series will be launched in India on December 8 at 12:30 PM and the smartphones will go sell live via Flipkart. Friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe my channel to give us support.